lovely. It smells marvelous. These filters systems needs to move to the front, and I'm trying to measure out the amount of space needed to, number one, move them into the front, but also to not drill any more holes than are necessary, and trying to use the existing plumbing and fittings. We've got the settling tank over here, filtration system over there, and then a bioreactor there. A moving bed bioreactor. Now, unfortunately, the bioreactor is standing on the complete wrong side of the new system, with the exit point 180 degrees from where it should be. If you can imagine the new point that we saw in the previous clip, the exit point should be roughly around about there, going to that side of the point. I'm going to show you on the new part. So if you now imagine these two lids as the cylinders, our separating tank, our filtration, and the current filtration comes out at this point to the bioreactor, which stands there, which would be completely in the way. I want to move the bioreactor to either stand there or perhaps eliminate it all together, which means I do need to change that. But I will be able to use the down pipe and all the other piping, and then from there on we will have the grow bed extending into this parking lot over here, and I might consider putting the vertical grow towers on that wall, running all the way over to there, back into our deep water culture, and then up into the tanks, back into filter 1, 2, 3, back into there. But trying to space it and have it look neat, we're gonna cover that tank with a covering like that on that wall. It's gonna cover that part of the tank over to there, and most probably also the filter system. Well, let's get going.